Hey, DC MacLingus here, talking to you about No Other Baby by Paul McCartney. I just searched YouTube to find an instructional video and could find none. So we're going to learn about 3 power chords. I'm really not good at this, so I'm going to be learning with you. The first is the E power chord. What you do is you've got the E, A, D, G, B, E strings. You're going to keep the E string open, put your finger on the A string at the second fret, and then strum those 2 alone. See how nice that sounds? That is an E power chord. I've got to work on that. Now we're going to go to an A power chord. So we're going to lift our finger off of the A, bring it to the second fret of the D string, and do the same thing. And go back to the E power chord. Now we're going to mute the E string with our thumb and hit the D string on the 4th fret and hit the A and D together. So your first finger is still on the 2nd fret of the A string, making it a B, and then your other finger, in this case my pinky, is on the 4th fret of the D string. It sounds like this. And we're going to bring it back down, mute with my palm there. I'm going to take both fingers off and put my first finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and go to A, D again. And then go back to the E. Got to do it slowly because I'm learning. And there you have it. No Other Baby by Paul McCartney.